this would be the perfect opportunity to like clickbait you guys and be like, why I'm not posting YouTube videos anymore for 1 week. But I'm not gonna do that because I don't believe in clickbait. Okay, well, I believe in it, but like it works, but it's like, it's mean, I feel like, and annoying. So basically, I know this is like such a weird angle and anyway, I'm gonna take a short break from YouTube, which this is so hard for me to say. I honestly feel like crying, and I feel really disappointed in myself because so I've uploaded a YouTube video every single day since November 2019. How many months is that? Like 9. The only day I haven't uploaded was Blackout Tuesday for George Floyd. I took the day off because, you know, I feel really disappointed in myself, and I feel really let down that I'm doing this. And I know it probably sounds silly, but I guess just because I've done it for so long now, I feel like I'm a huge failure, and I feel like, I don't know, I just feel really sad to be saying this, and it's not even that big of a deal. But to me it is. I feel really disappointed in myself. I was so proud for being so consistent, and now I'm kind of worried that everything is going to collapse, that I'm going to come back and I'm going to have no subscribers, and that when I come back no one is going to watch any of my videos. And I know it's so silly, it's just like, you know, that kind of scared mentality, I guess, but I'm kind of at the point now where I'm thinking, okay, what's the quickest, easiest way I can film? And that's not good, because you guys don't deserve that. I don't deserve that. I want to be producing quality videos for you guys. I don't want to hate YouTube. I love YouTube. YouTube is my favorite thing in the whole world, and I don't want it to turn into a chore. So I feel like taking a break when it's needed is really necessary. You know, I probably am still going to film the whole time, to be honest, because I just love filming. But I think I need some time off. At this point in time, I feel like it's going to be hard for me to stay away, if I'm being honest. But at this point in time, I'm expecting to return on the 17th of August, which is a Monday. I don't know why I'm a bit like, I don't know, I feel like I can't come back in the middle of the week. That's will stress me out. I need to come back on a Monday at the start of the week. But yeah, I feel like, I don't know, I love YouTube, and it's getting to the point where it's a chore to film, and I hate that. I really hate that. So yeah, I'm so sorry. I feel like I'm bailing on you guys. I feel like I'm failing you guys. I feel honestly really disappointed and really let down in myself. You know, I thought like that I was so proud for how well I was doing, but the thing is, I'm always going to be honest with you guys, and the thing is, everyone needs a break at some point in time, okay? And that is so normal, and it's so okay. And I know I just like bashed myself for it, but I also know, like, as sad as I am to be taking one, I also know it's needed, and I know that you guys will understand. I'm gonna take this time now to tell you guys something. I don't want to give away all of my plans for the end of the year, but I will tell you two things. First, I'm gonna be doing 31 days of Halloween this year. I'm so excited. You guys, I feel like you probably maybe figured it out, but last year I did a Halloween series where I uploaded a Halloween video every day for a week, and I also did a couple other Halloween videos, you know, scattered throughout. But this year I've decided that I'm gonna take part in 31 days of Halloween. I'm so excited. There's gonna be a new Halloween look every single day for 31 days. I'm so excited. And I thought, you know, that's why I pushed back. I was gonna do double uploads in August, but that's why I pushed that back, because I was like, no, I need time to get my Halloween stuff ready. And I feel like this is why I also want this break, so that I can get kind of a head start on my first couple of Halloween videos and stuff as well. And the second thing is, in December I'm going to be doing Vlogmas, which I'm so excited about. I didn't do it last year. I did like Christmas videos, but I didn't do Vlogmas, and I'm so excited to do that this year. I cannot wait. I'm going to do it on my main channel though, so I'm going to do it on this channel, just because I feel like majority of my audience is As for my vlog channel, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait until I hit 10,000 on SoJo Beauty, because I need to focus on SoJo Beauty right now. And then I feel like I'll definitely still do vlogs and stuff when I can. And I do really want to post on my vlog channel, but it's just like, that's just not a priority at the moment. I need to kind of get SoJo Beauty like set up, ready to go. And then I can focus more on Life of SoJo when I have a bit more time, and when SoJo Beauty is kind of already up and running, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I will see you guys on the 17th of August. I am really sad, honestly, but as I said, I know it's needed. Do I even have that day right? Is that even, it's whatever Monday it is. Maybe it's the 18th. I don't feel like it's the 17th. I think it's the 17th, whatever. But yeah, so don't worry, I'll still be posting on Instagram and stuff every day, so you can go follow me over there. It's just SoJo Beauty. But yeah, thank you guys so much for understanding, and I will see you in a week. I love you guys so much. Don't worry, I have 500 videos for you to binge watch if you miss me. But yeah, I'll see you guys over on my Instagram, and I will be back, and I can't wait. So yeah, see you guys then. Thanks for watching. Bye.